Okay, here we're back. Got everything stripped down now. Saw, rear handle brackets and rear handle. Don't look like much, but it actually took some time to do this, being the saw's assembled. But still trying to determine paint lines on the cylinder here. Got evidence of paint on the fourth fin up, plus a little bit on top here. So I don't know if the whole cylinder was actually painted or the way the saw was assembled, that just portions of it, excuse me, got paint. But anyway, it's something for me to think about. It's actually going to be a little more of a challenge to get painted than what I thought. I may have to rethink my original plan of attack, but anyway, that's it for now. And thanks again for watching.